Hello everyone. I created this brief video for you so that you could feel comfortable using our online library and starting to learn the process of how to find scholarly resources both for this class and for the rest of your graduate program. So when you sign into My Ottawa, the first thing that you're going to do is make sure that you click the Gangwish Library online link. And then you're going to scroll down over here on the right to Online Library Databases. Click right here. And then, you get a really long list of databases. So I like to scroll down to EBSCOhost. This is just my database of choice. You're welcome to explore the many options we have here in the library. But when you click on EBSCOhost, it takes you to an alphabetically organized database. I click on E for education, and then I like to scroll down and use Education Research Complete. I also like to use ERIC. If I scroll up, sorry to make you dizzy here, I also really, I'm going to scroll all the way up, sorry guys. All the way up to Academic Search Premier is another one that I like. But just for the purposes of our tutorial, let's take a look at ERIC. So I click on ERIC, and here's where your search bar appears. So you'll use these search limiters to start looking for information that you're interested in terms of research. Something that comes up for me and my own research needs often are the concepts of motivation, self-efficacy, and professional development in education. So what I'm going to do here is type in professional development, and then I'm going to, in the and box, type motivation. And then here's where these limiters, these search options, are really important. So the first thing you want to do is limit your results by clicking full text. And the next step that you want to make sure that you take is to click peer reviewed. And doing this will ensure that the articles that you pull up in your search are all scholarly works that have been peer reviewed. And this is the way to guarantee that the source that you're using is an appropriate scholarly source for graduate school. Another thing that I want to direct your attention to is this date published area. It's important a lot of times, especially now in research, that we're looking at articles that have been published recently. Articles that were published in the early 90s may no longer be relevant to the kinds of research that we're doing today. So when we're working with this, this search options box, you may want to put in a year here, so you're only looking at publications maybe starting from 2010 to the present. If you're looking for a more historical rounded approach to a topic, you may want to back up that year here. But you'll notice later on in our course when I ask you to do more digging in the library that you're going to want to keep your sources relatively current. So I'm not going to set anything for this for right this second, but I am going to go ahead and click search. And let's take a look at my results. And now what you will find is a list of 131 full-text, peer-reviewed articles on professional development and motivation. So I just read these titles, I read the abstracts and the key words that are presented down here at the bottom, and see if this is a study that I'd like to delve further into. If it is a study that's interesting to me, I'm going to go ahead and click on the PDF of the full text and download it and save it in some kind of handy folder. This is also great for you to use these keywords that are listed here to help refine your search. If I only found 3 or 4 articles that are related to my topic of interest, I might need to change my search keywords. Pre-service teacher education, teacher employment, path analysis might be something I want to look into. But my point being, use these keywords to help you refine your search. So that is a really short and quick way to get access to scholarly works, and I hope you found this productive and helpful. Thanks.